I have a really good confidence level, and I'm very pleased with the amount that I've been able to accomplish in such a short time. My name is Jamison Morse. I am a managing principal at PVE LLC. We are an engineering firm that's multidisciplinary in both architectural and building engineering services. We're doing a lot of paperwork, a lot of form work, and a lot of processes that could really be automated to kind of maximize efficiencies. So I was really looking for kind of a solution on how to best manage some of these things. I came across Python and kind of saw how the ease of use. I was able to use some of the downtime that I had during the pandemic to kind of upskill myself. But just like anything else, it's like riding a bike that I hadn't done in a long time. I really needed some good resources in order to get me pointed in the right direction. It was really hard to find something that was consistent and also kind of a repository of knowledge that was so vast that had a consistency across it. There are a lot of free resources out there. So, I had some doubts that, paying for a membership to something like this, where there was such a, vast amount of resources out there. However, I will say that when I did join, I was happy that I did, because not only did it consolidate where all that information was, but it gives you access to the community of people on their Slack channel that are all a very, positive and helpful group. Not only is it, the articles and the videos and the tutorials that are online, but there's a surrounding community to it. And there's even a podcast, and there's a lot of different resources that all kind of talk and tie together, so that it's kind of a fully integrated learning system. And not only that, but the community is not only there for learning, but also for kind of camaraderie. In the compliance world, where a lot of our scope and our tasks are very similar job to job to job. And this was kind of one of the things where we really wanted to automate. So kind of searching through and finding the resources on RealPython, I came across some articles that really helped generate reports and generate some of these things in a manner that I could produce a lot of them very quickly, just with a little, minimal input. And I was able to actually create some modules with a nice graphical user interface that would populate these report templates and then create a lot of these proposals and reports instantaneously and very efficiently. So that was quite an aha moment, and I can truly point to the resources that taught me how to get from not knowing how to do this thing at all to having a nice little system. I can very confidently say I knew little to nothing about Python going in, and now I would say I've been able to build applications, standalone executables on my computer that I've distributed to everyone within my company. The tutorials that they laid out and a lot of the videos and everything that they went through are very clear and concise and can get you up to speed pretty quickly. Absolutely recommend RealPython. There's a lot of reasons to it. It's the vast amount of different knowledge that is contained along that website is fantastic.